Okay, wait. Okay, is this working? Is this working? Let's see. We're about to find out if this is working. Which is it? Let's see. We're about to find out. Okay, it works. We just found out it works. That's good. Okay, so basically you get the point of the stream. Yeah. Probably not going to be talking that much for this stream, but whatever. Oh, I need to actually fix that. Bro, my window is... Oh, is my... No, it's not. It's not completely closed. That bark outside. Oh my god, I can still hear it even. Oh my god, that dog is so loud out there. Anyways, okay, so I gotta do this, so... some stuff I've already done. Some stuff that I've already done before I thought about doing the stream is like creating this and the new activation functions. Yeah, over here. Actually, during the stream, I actually, should I? Should I? Nah. Anyways, so. Alright, underscore GID, so. So this seems to be working correct. This seems to be working. This seems to be done. What else? What other stuff? Oh, I gotta do the documentation now. Oh, I gotta do the hinge loss. I gotta create the hinge loss function. So hinge loss. Okay. Alright, so the hinge loss function would be this, I think, so. No, wait, no. And then we just check for errors right there. Need to actually also copy this too. And then we check for errors. And then, yep, of course, I have to, okay, so, and then, alright, and then, var equals 1, output do. So, So sum equals sum plus math dot max 0, and then 1 minus real times output, and then I think that should be it. Then I just return. So I think that should be it. Alright. Now we got the hinge loss. Okay, so now, oh wait. Oh, I gotta do the forward pass too. Okay, let's do the forward pass. So okay, so good thing is that I made this as simple as possible. Bad news is that there's a lot of it, so I gotta okay, so and then wait, no, what am I doing? And then that would be current, and then underscore GID current C, then that'd be layer count, then that'd be O, then OW, so then so underscore GID, and then it'd be weight, wait, so underscore GID, what the, okay, so underscore GID weight, oh, so ID, and then weight, and then OW. Alright, then I'm just gonna do ID, and then bias, and then okay, so now gotta do this one over here. Why does it keep recording? Stop recording it. Okay. And then that'd be current. So oh. Geez, this spaghetti code is even worse. I just made the spaghetti code even worse. Yippee, let's go. Spaghetti code is even worse now. Stop recording. Stop. What? Oh, I know why it's recording, because this starts the recording, this stops the recording. I'm gonna change that setting. Hotkeys. No. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then just do that, bias. And then it'd be current. And then we just copy this, then we paste this over here, then we paste this over here. And so that'd be weight. That'd be bias. And then here, where if it's 0, we just gotta. And then current. Then we paste it. And then we paste it. and then we replace current over here with bias. We remove that extra underscore there. And then we put weight. Also, there's an extra 1 here. There's an extra 1 there. But everything should be good. So what we gotta do is like, oh, I gotta fix the documentation now, then I gotta test it, then I gotta upload it to the unstable branch. Okay. So how many do we have now? No. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're at SSE. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we got a total of 21 functions. And now what I gotta do is I gotta update the... Hold on, 1 second. I gotta update the documentation, so I gotta open the documentation file. Open file. Actually, you know what? I'll just create a new file. readme.md. I put that into the beta folder, okay. And then what we do is we go to the repository, we go to readme.md, click edit, and we copy everything. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do actually? I have a copy of it, don't I? Yeah, I do. So I just gotta copy this readme.md, and then I delete this, and I open this, and voila, magic. So now we just gotta update the documentation, and what did I say I was gonna update on the okay, so documentation update, so add the new activation functions. So okay, so ln is it elu, so elu would then swish. Wait, so what would alpha be? I totally forgot. Oh, the number to be multiplied, the number to be multiplied to, the number to be multiplied to e to the x. The amount so You know what? I can just copy this, paste this here, and then documentation. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take advantage of the markdown, and I'm gonna format this. You know, is there any extensions for MD for markdown? Markdown, paste image to no. Markdown, all in one. Oh, okay. Yes, that's actually really nice. I want this. Okay. So now I can just go to where's my extensions? Alright, just 1 second. Mm. I'm gonna try relaunching VS Code. Maybe that'll work. How do I open it? Am I just dumb? I feel like I'm just dumb. Okay, there we go. So Control Shift P. Okay, so open preview. Control Shift. You can also click on the editor tab. Control Shift P. Oh, okay. So Control Shift P, and then okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so alright, so then you know, I should rename this to functions. Alright, now I can. Alright, then I can change it to number functions, and I can do 3, then we'll just name it error catching functions, and then we can do then activation functions. Okay, and then the ln dot can I drag this out? Okay, so then ln, so swish And so for swish, so e to the minus beta times x. Okay. Then we can name this error/cost functions. Then what we can do, get binary cross entropy. So that'd be 2 lines, then a new line. Alright, so that looks good. So then that'd be a new line there. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's... And then we want a new line actually here. So that works, and then... Wait, so this would be debugging, no, this would be error/cost functions. So debugging/visualizing functions. And up here, this is error catching functions, actually. Alright. And then we can do this. Oh, I have to update the other functions too, so I also gotta do that. Okay. To in Lua JIT Alright, and then, because this uses no external libraries, that means all this requires... Okay, so... so I need to come up with some limitations for this. Then we could just do how the neural network. Should I space that more? Well, that's probably fine. Oh wait, no, that's right. And then so we have to also I have to update this. So and then that can go like that. Then that can go like that. Then that'd be current. And then boom. And then that's also current. So wait, what was one thing I was gonna do? I already did the hinge loss. Future plan. Alright, so then those are potential optimizations and look how much it bounces when I type. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I think that looks good. So we got the strengths limitations, deep. Okay, so actually one thing I could do is, so on strengths and limitations, I could do like those strengths, and then I could do something like this. Yes, then that works. So boom, boom, and then boom, and then boom. Then we do oh, we want to do 3 for that. Oh, I did something bad. So strengths, and then there's the limitations. And then we can just do another limitation. So that looks good. So okay, so we got the So I want to make some stuff bold. I want to make some stuff bold. I want to make them bold. Let's make these functions bold. Then there we go. That looks good. What if I did 3? What happens if I do 3? Ooh. If I did 4. Dang it. Well, whatever. Let's just do 2. Then so then we could do this, this. Uh-oh. I somehow press Control A, and then right after that press Control V. I don't know how that happens, but it happens all the time. So then we could just, okay, so paste that, paste that, paste that, paste, 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 paste. What am I doing? Anyway, so we're just gonna make it all bold. These are some pretty bold functions right here. Alright, and 350. Oh, I need to actually include something else. Away, and then, well, of course, GitHub. There we go. Alright, now, what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. I don't know what that just did. Oh, that's what that did. Alright, and this looks good. Alright. So. Alright, so, yep, this looks pretty good, and I just gotta make sure that I did everything I said I was gonna do. Alright, now all we gotta do is just test it. So yeah, just 1 second, I gotta... Wait, what? What the? Oh, I actually gotta... Before we test it, actually, actually, oh no, wait, oh no. Okay. So before we test it, we just gotta make sure the initialize function works, so ln.initialize, then we could just do, like, a, and then just, let's try the new activation function. That would be... What would that be? What would a new... What would, oh yeah, let's try swish. And then... We'll just have 16, and then 4, and then 2, and then... Oh. We're just gonna make a really bad circle. It's just... I always use that when I test if something works. Okay, so ln.forward path. We want to do for iv in pairs. So that would be a, and then the in, Now we just test if it works. So Lua, actually wait, no. Hold on. /lnn/beta. There we go. So now we're just gonna do Lua main.lua. Attempt to index a nil value field current. Great. That means there's probably something with the initialization function. Wait, what the? Okay, I just gotta actually. Okay, there we go. Dang it. Okay, so good thing I tested it. I'm just gonna make sure it works, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new branch, and then I'm gonna make sure it works, and then I'm gonna make sure the basic stuff works, and I'm gonna upload it to the unstable branch. So wait bias current. So it was in field current. So let's check the current stuff. So is it 212? Oh wait, no, it was actually in the activation function. Oh no. You know what? Screw this. I'm actually just gonna you know what? Screw this. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, it seems like it seems like it's supposed to be working. That looks good. So now we're just gonna close this, close that. Let's try the ELU activation function, because ELU, not ELME. Okay, let's try ln.adjust. So we actually, well, let's test if it doesn't. Let's test. Okay, so good. ELUW is not a valid activation function. Okay, so okay, good, that works. So I'm gonna upload this to the unstable branch. I'm gonna upload this to the mentally unstable branch. So okay, so here we go. So VE 1.0.0 unstable. So we're gonna create this branch. Then, so if we go here, there should be okay, good. There's two branches. So yeah, that's the default branch. So okay, so I'm gonna protect this branch. How do I do this? Yeah, that's probably fine. Okay, so we have the default branch, and then so we're gonna rename main to v1 point. So we're gonna rename this stable. Okay, so good. So this is stable, and then there is v, and then there's this unstable. Okay, so what we can do is we can edit this. So all we gotta do, Control A, Control C. Alright. Then so okay, so good. Commit directly to the v 1.1.00 unstable branch. Okay, so good. So This is the mental. Okay, so yeah, so this is okay. So we can go to. We can update readme.md. I don't care what you think of how I'm doing this. It works, okay? It works. So then we can just change this. Alright. And, okay, good. Yippee! Okay, here we go. So actually I'm gonna... Yep, so stable. Stable is the default, so okay. And then... Okay. So I'm gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna... Alright, that's the end of the stream.